There's nothing to worry about, okay? You have a stream of money with your name on it, but your default program can't see it, and that's the problem. We're going to change that in this video. I'm Jenna. I work with your default program. This is the nervous system running automatically that interferes with your real lasting change. It's not mindset. This is mechanics. We are not getting what we want because we're unlucky or because we have a block. It's honestly because our operating system just hasn't opened up the channel. You don't have a money problem. You have an outdated operating system that doesn't let the money in. It's filtering out the very thing that you're asking for multiple reasons. You don't feel safe with it. You don't know how it's going to come, so you get anxious and overwhelmed. You're trying to micromanage lots of different things because when you ask for money, your default program immediately scans for possibility. It looks at your history, your past results, and your current evidence. If it doesn't have a clear path, something to land on, it sounds the alarm. Not dramatically at first, it's pretty subtle. A small tightening, a little ping of urgency, a quiet little, I don't really see the path yet. But then it turns into bracing, and this bracing filters your perception. Opportunities do not look like opportunities. Ideas don't look viable. Doors don't look open. The stream is there. The doors are wide open, but your system can't see it yet and doesn't trust the flow. Let me talk to you about Rachel's story. Rachel is 55. She's in my membership, and she was struggling to make ends meet when she first came. She felt really heavy, especially because she believed she was late in life. She kept saying things like, I need more money. I know it's coming to me. I just can't figure out how. And spiritually, that sounds aligned. But internally, Rachel was bracing. She would say, it's all coming to me. I know it's all coming to me. But her panic showed that she didn't believe that. Because when your default program scans for possibility and doesn't see one, it panics. So even while she affirmed abundance, her body was tightening in disbelief. So this is why affirmations keep a lot of us who are skeptical or overthinking stuck. They stall us out. They push us away from our abundance because our operating system is still running on scarcity, uncertainty, insecurity. So Rachel stopped trying to convince herself that she felt good about it, that money was coming. And instead, she shifted into what I call coherence. She said, I'll take more money. Not from panic, not from pressure. She went back to module number 2, which is your euphoric vision. She placed her order there, and that's what we do. I explain everything in there if you need to work on your default program. And she decided this is where we're going. As soon as you lock in where you're going, we both work on it together. And that's where we start to change your default program, because your mind and your body must line up with what it is that you're asking for so you can get it. You can't manifest from insecurity because that will limit your possibilities. Your security will filter other pathways that your insecurity would never let happen. So Rachel practiced stepping into her secure state first. Calm, neutral, expecting, not hyped, not forced, not convincing, not repeating affirmations. And something shifted, not dramatically, inevitably. 2 weeks later, Rachel received a letter in the mail. There was money sitting in a pension plan from a company she worked at years ago, one she had completely forgotten about. It was enough to stabilize her. She could spend now and invest for later, and enough to exhale, and that calm changed her perception. From that secure state, she opened up a small business making baby clothes, and specifically cloth diapers. And today, she makes more than she ever has, doing something that she absolutely loves. The real point to this whole story is that the path was already there for Rachel. She didn't go find it. Her secure state allowed it. She secured herself into that default program. There was a stream of money with her name on it. It was coming to her. But if your default program is still filtering for this won't work out, I'm behind, I don't see how, she would have taken that piece of mail and threw it in the garbage and kept walking past it. Not because the money wasn't trying to get to her, but because she wasn't programmed to see it, to believe that it's possible. When you change your operating system, you'll get impulses. You'll stop blocking possibilities. The possibilities actually become visible. And when they become visible, they feel inevitable. You don't second guess anymore. You're not yearning anymore. It's natural unfolding. You don't need better affirmations. You need alignment between your vision and your default program, and everything else falls into place. The stream is here with your name on it, right in front of you. Just upgrade the system. Then you can receive it. So, how does this work? Step one is you ask and it's given. Done. You're asking for more money. The stream is already lined up. The resources are already being orchestrated. It's coming for you. Step two, be open to it. Step into your secure default state. So right now, after you ask, your default program will go, I don't know how this is going to happen. I need to figure this out. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna post this video. That will lead to this amount of views. That will lead to this amount of clients. That will lead to the, and you're formulating the path. That's why you're exhausted. And the universe is like, okay, well, if you wanna do it all, you can do it all. It's gonna take a lot longer. It's gonna be a lot more effort, but absolutely do it. And then you post the video, you don't get the views, you don't get the clients, you don't get the unfolding, and you're thinking, this is never gonna work out. That's not true. You're not lined up with the capacity yet to hold the amount of money that you're calling in. So we gotta get secure in your visibility, secure in your ownership, secure in your expectancy, secure in your belief in you. This is a piece where we have to build self-trust, we have to build self-reliance, we have to believe in ourselves more than we ever have. We have to have radical self-confidence that we get what it is that we want. And most of us have never been taught that, especially to the operating level. So that's why we have to change at a foundational level, because for so many years, for as long as you've been alive, you've been walking around with this specific operating system. And that specific operating system has been fine for getting you where you are, but it's not up to date for what it's going to take for you to get to where you want to be. You need to have an upgrade. And then step three to that equation is your reality naturally changes. The best part is there's 3 steps. 2 of them are already completed. You just have to do the one last thing. So you're 99% already there. You're 99% already to your life and reality completely shifting. It doesn't take a lot of time. You can literally change your life in 10 seconds or less. Give yourself that space to change what you expect, what you believe, and what you're rooted into. You get what it is that you want. That's all we need to know. That's exactly what you got to do. Just believe in it and you'll get it.